Hello children, in this video let's see how to draw a Christmas tree. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we can draw the Christmas tree. You can also draw along with me children. Let's give some decoration with balls. And let's put a star on the top of the tree. Let me use this marker to make it more visible. Yellow color for the star. This is red color. Orange color, light blue color, pink color, yellow color, brown color for the plant stem. Let's color the plant with green color. This is light green color. The Christmas tree is ready. If you all like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel friends. Bye bye.